Hey guys, YouTube Shorts. Love it or hate it, it is here to stay. The battle for short video is on. Of course, me being me, I know I have to test this out to see if YouTube Shorts is the new way to grow my YouTube channel faster. And so I issued myself a challenge to post one YouTube Shorts video every single day for 1 month. Now, I admit I cheated a little. I deliberately chose the month of February because there's only 28 days, so I get to create 2 to 3 videos less. I know, right? Anyways, I did the challenge, I completed it, I feel good about myself and my channel, and here are some of the questions I am sure you want me to answer. First and foremost, the most important question of all. How did that help my channel grow? For this one, it's simple. My channel's growth can only be seen in one way. Growth in terms of subscribers and views. Overall, YouTube Shorts helped me gain over 104 subscribers and a total of 26,000 views. You know what? That's amazing. I mean, YouTube Shorts alone contributed over 47% of subscribers for the month. If I did not do this challenge, my channel's growth would have been almost 50% slower. In terms of views, YouTube Shorts contributed way more views than most of my long form videos. Most of my Shorts videos got a couple of 100 views and sometimes thousands of views even. However, views on YouTube Shorts are very hard to measure. For example, even though my YouTube Shorts gain quite a fair bit of views, what I can't tell is, did these viewers check out any of my long form videos? One thing's for sure, getting views on YouTube Shorts is a lot easier than long form videos. It is a lot easier to create the video and chances of getting pushed seems a lot higher as well. But from this challenge, I realized that views from YouTube Shorts are very unpredictable. It is 100% reliant on getting pushed in the Shorts feed, and it tends to have a very short lifespan. Just take a look at one of my YouTube Shorts here. Just look at this curve. It went from nothing to one straight line up, and it gave me over 1,000 views in just 1 hour. Based on my little table here I created, my YouTube Shorts gets pushed either in the first 24 to 48 hours of launch. After that, it simply dies and fades into oblivion, and it makes me sad. But the thing here is, every YouTube short of mine that jumped over 1,000 views, they all happened within 1 to 2 hours, and all my new subscribers came from that window period. Just take a look at this video here. Over 3,000 views in 2 hours, and I got 32 subscribers in that 2 hours. That's just crazy. Oh, one more thing I missed. How much money did I make off YouTube Shorts? Well, you can see for yourself here. 26,000 views for only $1.40. Nothing much to see here, honestly. Let's move on. I do have to say though that this challenge is something all new YouTube channels should try, especially before YouTube Shorts get saturated. It's extremely easy to do, and the subscribers and views you get from it is a huge improvement. So here's what I did in this challenge to make it really easy. First, identify my niche. I first find topics that are relevant to my niche that I can cover in less than 1 minute. I personally go for 40 to 50 seconds videos just to be safe, because I don't want YouTube to mark them as long form videos. Also, people's attention spans are getting shorter these days anyways. I talk mainly about YouTube channel growth, so it's a no-brainer that that will be my niche. Second, coming up with enough topics. One of the major roadblocks I had was coming up with enough topics that can last me for 28 days straight. It was easy at first coming up with ideas, but I got stuck when I reached around my 4th or 5th topic, and I was at the verge of giving up. So I turned to my friendly AI, ChatGPT, and I asked the AI to give me 30 titles on how to grow a YouTube channel. The topics given aren't that great, but it is a good start. I ended up using most of them after reading them through and modifying them slightly to cater to the videos I want to create. Next comes the scripting. Now, I know I can speak roughly 200 words in 1 minute, so I aim for 150 to 180 words for each of my videos. This is relatively easy to achieve, although it feels terribly boring at the start knowing I have so many videos to script up. But as I started typing, it got quicker and faster, and before I knew it, I finished them all up and gave myself a pat on the back for a job well done. After that, of course, is the recording. I'm not even going to explain how I record this one. I think we all know how to record a vertical video by now. But all I can say is I recorded all of my videos in 2 days. I pretty much kept every video the same, and all I did was talk and talk and talk, one video after another, doing as much as I could until I couldn't go on anymore. I could have finished it in 1 day, but I got tired and thirsty, so yeah, 1 day became 2 days. Then comes the most fun part, video editing. Now for me, I think YouTube Shorts editing should be minimal. And the one thing that is a must in YouTube Shorts is subtitles. A subtitle can make the viewer read as the video plays, which keeps the audience retention high and also not make the video boring. But adding subtitles on YouTube Shorts can be tedious. Just look at this. I'm just trying to add some simple subtitles for the first few seconds of the video, and it takes forever. So I started looking around to find a tool out there that can maybe generate subtitles for me on the fly. And lucky enough, I found exactly what I wanted. This is Capwing. Capwing is an online video editor that pretty much functions the same way as most video editors out there. You can edit your video, add images, add text, you know, all the basic stuff. But what really stands out for me is Capwing has this fantastic function called subtitles. What it does is it will auto-generate the subtitles for me using AI by detecting the words I say in the video. And it is very accurate as well. When I use it, I hardly have to change the subtitles, and that's pretty awesome considering how the AI can actually understand my weird accent. The best part to me is they have this animation section where we are given a set of subtitles to play with that can automatically make really engaging subtitles. Here you can see for yourself, the subtitles are really cool and amazing. Some of these even highlight the words as I say it, making my video much better. And I got all of this done in less than 1 minute. This extremely useful tool saved me probably an hour worth of editing for each video. And when you multiply that by 28 YouTube Shorts, that's 28 hours of my time. Once that's all said and done, the final part is just uploading those YouTube Shorts. Uploading YouTube Shorts is pretty self-explanatory. You open up YouTube Studio, upload your video, give it a good title and description, then schedule it. I mean, I don't even need to create any thumbnails, so that saved up a lot of my time. But there are two things I decided to do that I think are crucial steps. The first one is to add the hashtag shorts in my video's description. I think YouTube can recognize what's a short and what's a long form video, but adding that shorts hashtag on my description just gives me the confidence that it will be picked up as a YouTube short. Some have said to add that to the title, but I didn't like it, so I did that on my description instead and it works fine. The second one is to make sure my YouTube short is not published to subscription feed and it does not notify my subscribers. I know there's a little bit of love-hate relationship with YouTube Shorts, and most of the time, those who subscribe to long-form videos really hate YouTube Shorts. So in order to avoid any sort of hate, I decided to hide my YouTube Shorts as much as possible from my subscribers. It is a bit of a risk at first just because I may not get that initial view from my subscribers, but it is a risk I am willing to take. But that risk paid off. I ended up getting a huge number of new viewers who ended up subscribing. I don't know if they'll watch my long form videos though. I mean, we'll see, but for me, it is a win. So there you go, guys. I uploaded YouTube Shorts every day for 28 days and my YouTube channel grew more than ever. There were a lot of concerns on how YouTube Shorts can damage your long form videos or vice versa. But honestly, I think YouTube is doing something about this to make them distinct, as well as allow YouTubers to create both types of video on one channel. It may ruin big YouTube channels, but as far as small YouTube channels go, I suggest you try it out because there's nothing to lose, only more to gain. So anyways, that's just my technical view on YouTube Shorts. I do have some personal thoughts about YouTube Shorts, but I'll share that in another video which should be available here when it's ready. Alright, that's all. See you guys.